Welcome. If you've been trying to figure out where your follow notifications went on Instagram's PC app after the latest update, you're not alone. The layout has changed a bit and things aren't exactly where they used to be. But don't worry, it's actually pretty simple once you know where to look. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account because everything we're about to do depends on accessing your personal activity. Once you're inside, take a look at the left side of your screen. This is where Instagram now keeps most of the main navigation options. Next, find and click on notifications in that left side menu. It might be represented by a heart icon depending on your version. This section is where Instagram gathers all your activity updates, including likes, comments, mentions, and of course, new followers. After you click on notifications, you'll see a list of recent activity. But if you're specifically looking for who followed you, there's one more step. Look for the Follow section within the Notifications area and click on it. This filters out everything else and shows only the accounts that have recently followed it. Now, you can clearly see who's been following you without scrolling through unrelated notifications. It's a small change, but it makes things much cleaner once you know where to go. If you've been confused by the new update, this method should save a time and help you stay on top of your followers more easily. Instagram updates can be tricky at first, but once you get used to the new layout, everything starts to feel more organized. Give it a try and you'll find your follow notifications in seconds.